organized lately, so I thought I'm gonna do some me time today. So I have here the Glamrdip. So this is their ultimate kit. So in their ultimate kit, it comes with, oopsies, it comes with their little booklet for the instructions, their card to join their club, some extra brushes, and the ultimate kit, as I've said, comes with these liquids and 6 shades that you want from them. It also comes with a brush, the cuticle remover, and the nail file. So I've been actually using this for quite some time now, and I could actually say that I have saved heaps of money on this one because I haven't been going to the salon to have my nails done really. And as I've said, I could just simply do my nails at the comfort of my home, and also their products don't have any harsh chemicals on it, or there's no nasties on it. So for today, I'm gonna be using the Starlight shade. Can you see it? The Starlight shade and the clear. I've done some unboxing, the proper unboxing on this one on a past video, so I'm gonna put the link in the description box below. And I've also done doing this one too, but I think I've used the Sincere then. So let's just quickly do this. It's very, very easy to do this at home, and it won't even take a lot of time to do so. So let me just quickly do this and set this one up. Now, finishing touches, we're doing the heel liquid just to do the cuticle edges. So this experience really is just like you going to the salon, but not spending much. I will put the link on the description box below, the product link in the description box below, so you'd know where I got this one from, and also so you can save heaps of money instead of going to the salon. So this is not bad at all, isn't it? And to be quite honest, I'm not a professional in doing this one, and so I'm really loving this because I can just enjoy and making this one or doing this one at the comfort of my home. So
here's what you need. Grit 180 nail file. Remove solution. Remove bowl. First, gently file off the top layer of your mani. Unclip the top part of the bowl. Fill it halfway with hot water. Clip the lid back on. Pour some remove solution. Soak your nails for 15 minutes. Gently rub your nails with wipes. Do the same on the other hand. Rinse your hand with soap and water afterwards. All done and damage-free.